Okay, I've got two wonderful large chickens that I'm going to hot smoke today in my barrel smoker, and I'm just going to prepare these for the smoking process. And whenever I do a long smoke, I like to just prepare the chickens by removing the tips of the wings. I'm also going to put some slashes in the breast meat here and a couple in the leg.
Making these cuts in the breast and legs help to get flavour into the meat when applying a dry rub.
The other thing I'm going to do is to trim off some of this fat. So there's our birds, ready for some seasoning. The seasoning I'm using today I got from the Shack in Milton Keynes, and they do this Lumberjacks Food Company Brazilian tempero. So that's what I'm going to be using today, and it's from the Lumberjacks Food Company. And we'll be rubbing this onto our meat, and then we'll get them into the smoker. Now, I am going to be putting them on a rack in the smoker. But underneath I'm going to have this, and that's going to catch any juices, because I don't want them to go down and dirty the smoker. So that will keep it nice and clean, and that means that all I have to do is clean this and clean the rack they sit on, and we're good to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of our rapeseed oil on here and just massage that in. And this is just really going to act as a glue for the seasonings that I'm going to put on. Right, let's pop these in here for now. I'm going to be fairly liberal with this. Fantastic, right, these boys are ready to go into the smoker. Let's go and light the smoker. While the charcoal's lighting, I just wanted to talk you through the wood I'm using, and this is French oak. It's well seasoned. I've had it seasoning for about 3 or 4 years now, and we'll just pop that straight into the basket. There we go.
With the chickens in the drum smoker, it's time to close the lid. We'll let these chickens smoke for a few hours. I'm using the vents to control the temperature. About half open works just right here, but you may need to adjust them to get the right temperature in your smoker. 90 minutes into the smoking process, and I'm now mopping both these chickens with that fantastic barbecue sauce I made in a previous video. If you want to see how to make that, details in the description.
Chef's perks. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Beautiful hot smoked chicken with that delicious Brazilian rub. Absolutely stunning.
Well, there you go. Hot smoked chicken in my Bristol drum smoker. If you've liked the video and you'd like to see similar content, please subscribe. I hope I've earned your subscription. In the meantime, stay safe and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.